Do you know that you can find a job with just your smartphone? Think about it. You're already spending hours on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. But instead of searching for gossip, celebrity trends, and leaks, why not use that time to look for job opportunities? It's actually very easy. Let me show you how. Let's start with Twitter. Open the app, go to the search bar, and type the role you're looking for. For example, accountant role or accounting job. Hit search, and you will see posts with job openings. Click on one, read the job details, especially the description, and see if it matches with your qualifications. If it does, tailor your CV to it. Draft a professional email and attach your CV or resume and apply for it. It's that simple, less than 5 minutes. The same process works for Facebook. Search for terms like hiring, job vacancies, or a specific role and browse through the results. Now, if you're not on LinkedIn, you're missing out. Create an account, go to the job section, and type the job role you're looking for. You'll find tons of opportunities. Engage with posts, like them, and even comment to get noticed by recruiters. But if you don't have time to search on all these platforms, that is where Vacancies in Ghana comes in. Download our app or visit our website to find jobs tailored for you. We make it easy so you can focus your social media time on things you enjoy. Your dream job is just one step away. For more career tips, like, share, and subscribe. Good luck with your job search.